Ask Doug, will my child have coverage after high school graduation, and will my child have coverage until age 26? Learn more about IMG Employer Group Insurance. Questions and Answers about my IMG Employer Group Insurance is a series of videos providing information on how to use your IMG International Employer Group medical insurance best for you and your family. Hi Doug, I have 2 questions. My kids are getting older. One of my daughters just graduated from high school this year and will be going to college in the US. Will my daughter be able to stay on our IMG International Employer Group Insurance while in the US as a full-time university student? Same question as the first, but what if my daughter did not go to college full-time? Will she still be able to stay on our IMG Employer Group Insurance? These are 2 great questions, Fred. We have some great news for you. Yes, IMG Group Insurance includes coverage for your adult children up to age 26. IMG also automatically will give an additional 60 days past their 26th birthday. If this is not needed, you can request early termination of coverage. Your adult children are covered even if they are in the US full-time. Your adult children are also covered even if they are not university students. Please keep in mind that maternity coverage is not a covered benefit for your dependent children on your IMG Group medical insurance policy. Change is always in the air, so please connect with us via our website at gninsurance.com/group-health or call one of our International Insurance Group agents at 480-813-9100 or toll free at 866-636-9100 here in Gilbert, Arizona, USA. Or email our employer group insurance agents at groupsservice@gninsurance.com or here at info@gninsurance.com. We wish you and your loved ones amazing, safe, and spectacular expat travels.